This is a conspiracy.
Squeeze the egg. Show me the egg. Are you sure it's not hard boiled?
No, y'all are setting me up. No.
Feel my arm. I'm gonna do it. Feel my arm.
That's not good.
Seriously, like, I mean, like, I'm not just
Right
like.
here, I can.
No, you know what I mean.
Okay. I mean, whatever.
Squeeze it in.
You don't think I can
No.
bust an egg?
Don't use your fingers. Like, you have to. Like,
You have to squeeze it.
squeeze. You can't use your fingertips. You have to just squeeze.
Fingertips will smash it.
Dude, y'all are setting me up.
No, we're not.
We're not.
She's got the camera out. This is a sure setup.
No.
Ian.
Stop.
Then with Jamie's bow in place,
I'm telling you.
I told you.
How is that possible?
You can't do it. He just said what the what.
grabs the string.
Egg.
That's beautiful.
It's freaky.
That is.
What? Move. I got. All right, Dustin.
It is unbelievable. No, I squeezed that as hard as I could. Nobody can do it.
Can't do it.
Can't be done, dude. I squeezed that thing with everything I had. I squeezed it with everything I. Oh! No, stop. I'm going to pass out from laughing.